Rationalization. Rationalizing a fraction means converting a fraction with a radical in the denominator into an equivalent fraction without a radical in the denominator. To do this, that is, to remove the radical from the denominator, we will have to multiply this fraction with another that has the same radical in both the numerator and the denominator. But why do we want to remove the radical from the denominator? Leaving a radical in the denominator makes calculation less practical and sometimes more complicated, especially when you have to add or compare fractions. By multiplying by a fraction that eliminates the radical in the denominator, we get a simpler, more standard form to represent the result. It is acceptable to leave a radical in the numerator because it does not adversely affect the clarity or calculation of the fraction. So here we have 1 in the numerator and the square root of 2 in the denominator. So we multiply by the square root of 2 both in the numerator and in the denominator. Above we get square root of 2 in the denominator because of the property of square roots. Multiplying two roots with the same radicand, the result is the rootless radicand. So the square root of 2 times the square root of 2 gives us 2 without the square root. The end result is the square root of 2 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator.